Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm pulling back the curtain and sharing the secrets behind my journey of managing not just one, but 12 plus profitable YouTube channels, all while generating a 7-figure income from them. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion for content creation into a highly successful online business, this video is a must-watch. I'll be diving deep into the strategies, tips, and insights that have allowed me to achieve financial independence through YouTube. In this video, you'll discover channel selection. Learn how I choose and diversify my niche selection across different channels to maximize my income potential. Content strategy. Explore my content creation process, from idea generation to video production, and how I consistently deliver high-quality, engaging content to my audience. Monetization techniques. I'll reveal the various monetization methods I use, including ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise, and more. Channel growth. Discover my tactics for growing each channel's subscriber base and audience engagement, even in competitive niches. Income streams. I'll break down the income streams from each channel and explain how they contribute to my 7-figure annual income. Time management. Learn how I efficiently manage my time to run multiple channels without burning out. Success. Mindset. Understand the mindset and attitude that have played a pivotal role in my journey to YouTube success. Whether you're an aspiring YouTuber looking to start your first channel, or an experienced content creator aiming to scale your online business, this video is packed with valuable insights and actionable advice to help you achieve your goals. Join me on this deep dive into the world of YouTube entrepreneurship, where I'll share the strategies and principles that have allowed me to create a life of financial freedom, creative fulfillment, and the ability to make a meaningful impact on my audience. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable. Let's embark on this journey to YouTube success together. Thank you for being part of the channel community, where we empower content creators to thrive on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and follow link in description to get more info.